Hey there, YouTube. Ghost Jake here with you today. How are you doing today? I'm doing quite good. Today we're going to do a second food review to see how it goes. My first food review did okay. Did okay considering it's only been a week, but it's probably didn't do as well as I wanted it to do. And now the food we're going to do is Indian food. Royal India, or maybe not. We're going to do that food. Now let's open it up. I got curry, chicken tikka masala. There is the rice. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Bring it on up so you can see it. And then there's the bowl. Trying to do this one is kind of hard. And there we go. We got most of it in the bowl. Look at that. Now this is actually, rice is pretty much just rice. But once we grab with a good old bag and bring you out, that's when it changes. There it is. There's the curry, the chicken tikka masala curry. If you can see that good. And I got the chicken one, so there's chicken, boneless chicken breast in there. I got to do one thing really fast. My TV is kind of causing some problems. But, yeah, there it is. Now, that's actually a really funny story. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. How I started eating curry a lot more is actually thanks to the game Persona 5. Because when Ren, if you watched Persona 5 the animation, was we'd eat breakfast at Sojiro Sakura's restaurant, he would always give him curry. And so that kind of drove me to get curry. And now I kind of eat at this place kind of on a regular basis. Oh, look at that. I got it on one try. There it is. The curry. Bring it down. Oh, look at the pour. There's some of the chicken. There's some more of the chicken. And there we go. There's what's left. Not much left after that. Now where did that... Oh, there it is. It is hiding. I'm kind of a mixer. I like to stir my stuff up quite a bit when I do this stuff. Now, I don't know if this is another place I could really give a fair rating to. If I continue doing food reviews, maybe try to do a food challenge here and there. Fun fact, I'm actually 2-0 doing food challenges in my lifetime. So I might just quit it. I might just stay done at 100%. No reason to spoil when you're already perfect, you know what I mean. Now, there it is, all fully done. I know it doesn't look pretty, but I can assure you it tastes really good. Now, point to myself. Let's see if I can get some of just the. That's pretty good. Except I got mine spicy. Now let's get some of the rice. The rice is pretty good on its own too, even though it's not really on its own because I mix everything together. But let's see if I can find a piece of chicken. Just eat the chicken on its own. Usually I like to save the chicken. Actually, no, that's kind of a big piece. So if I can find. There's a small piece of chicken. Right there. Pointing to myself. And that is gone. That is good. Now, as for rating of the Indian food restaurant I go to, I would say it is probably a solid 4.5, almost a 5, rating 1 through 5. For me, this place is, when I did the Filipino restaurant review, this place is right on par with the Filipino restaurant. I like them both equally, but I probably like this one a little. Maybe I like the curry probably a little bit better. But I still really dig the Filipino restaurant, so it'll probably be close to more of a 5 rating because I am kind of a loyal customer, and this food is definitely something. The chicken tikka masala is something I definitely have ordered something before. It's not something new, so I already know the flavors to it. It is kind of a little extra spicy today. I did get it spicy, so I can actually taste the spiciness to it this time, so that's good. But yeah, so let me know if you want these to continue, these food reviews and maybe a couple of food challenges. But I do have some, but don't worry. Let me know if you want these to continue. But don't worry, I do have my TV and movie reviews going to be making a comeback pretty soon. Well, this is Ghost Jake signing off. Until then, have a wonderful day. I will see you guys later. Bye.